This is a 1989 Toyota Land Cruiser HJ61 turbo diesel. It's a Japanese version with a high roof, and this particular model has the factory lockers, which is pretty unique. So it's a turbo diesel 5-speed, factory lockers, high roof, which makes it pretty much unique, or the unicorn of Land Cruisers, or the Land Cruiser that Chuck Norris would drive, or the Land Cruiser that you would drive. So pretty cool truck, runs like a Swiss watch, engine is great, no leaks. It always starts on a dime. Interior is very clean. It has only 190,000 kilometers, which is pretty low mileage. So these are kilometers, 193. And the interior is very clean. The condition of the seats, even the driver's seat, usually they have a lot of wear here. This one's got a little bit, but it's in a very good shape. The carpets are in great shape. These are original factory carpets. And the dash has a few nasty cracks. Actually just one that splits in two, but the rest of it, oh, there's another one. The rest of it is in good shape. Everything works on the truck, the air conditioning, all the buttons, the mirrors, probably most importantly the AC blows cold. And there's some extra parts in it. There's like extra rotors, oil filter, there's a spare wheel in the back, and there is a winch, the factory winch with the mechanism and everything. Everything is here. The PDO winch comes with the truck, and there's a bumper also available, the HJ61 bumper. The headliner is in very good shape, nice and clean. This thing doesn't hold, so probably need two of these shocks. The roof rack is nice. It's got aluminum roof rack. Again, interior is very nice, very clean. I think I'm missing a headrest right there. Maybe it's somewhere in the back. I have to check on that. Four by four works great. These are the factory lockers. The handbrake works. The horn works. The body is very nice. The frame and everything underneath is solid. Engine is dry, doesn't leak, doesn't burn oil. The tires are excellent, mud terrain tires. It's just a nice cruiser. And now you can buy it on eBay. If you need some additional pictures, videos, anything, cold start, warm start, this thing is very solid. It comes with a bunch of spare parts. There's some records here, Japanese. Beautiful truck. Buy it now.